It's also important to mention what's the difference between the verbs of motion with the vy prefix and od or ode. I'm gonna draw two pictures. Almost identical pictures. This first picture represents the prefix vy. Somebody says, napiš mi, až vyjdeš z domu. Vyjdeš z domu. They want to know in what time you will arrive at the place that you're meeting, for example, or they're picking you up. So again, they need to know more or less in how much time you will be there. Their attention is on you and on the place you're going. Coming out, going out. We're focusing on where you're heading and on you. Napiš mi, až vyjdeš. Napiš mi, až odejdeš. Napiš mi, až odejdeš z domu. It sounds like that person that's texting you doesn't want you in the house. They are focusing their attention on the empty house. I want to know when the house is gonna be empty so I can come and rob it. Maybe. So when we have the prefix vy, it often means that the focus is on you and on the place you're heading to. Whereas when you have odejít or odjet, the focus is on where you've been and you're not anymore. Like if you want to say, he left, you say odešel. He left, he's not here. Odešel. You don't say vyšel, because that sounds like he went out and maybe he will be with you soon, or he'll meet somebody at the place that he's heading to. Let me give you another example. Odešli jsme z restaurace, protože se nám v menu nic nelíbilo. We left the restaurant because we didn't like anything on the menu. We're not at the restaurant, we didn't eat. Odešli jsme z restaurace. And this one, vyšli jsme z restaurace, it wouldn't make sense to have the same continuation. Vyšli jsme z restaurace a hledali jsme, kam půjdeme dál. Vyšli jsme z restaurace a hledali jsme, kam půjdeme dál. We went out of the restaurant and we were looking where we're gonna go next, since we didn't like this place. So you see, this is the difference. With vy, we're often focusing on where we're heading, and here with od, we're focusing on where we've been and we're not anymore, or any other person or object we're describing. It doesn't work like this 100%, but sometimes you can have this explanation. Vyjít also means to set out. You are talking about what time you are setting out. Za 5 minut vyjdu, rather than za 5 minut odejdu. Let me give you an example with jet, vyjet and odjet. You're at the train station and somebody says, Vlak za 5 minut odjede ze stanice. The train will leave the station in 5 minutes. Maybe you want to catch the train. You only have 5 minutes to catch it. And if somebody says, Vlak za 5 minut vyjede ze stanice, in this case, it would be emphasis on the train moving out. The train is going to leave the station. Maybe there is somebody waiting right here with a camera and they want to take a picture of the train leaving the station. You're focusing on where this object is heading to. One more example. If you want to tell somebody you're on your way, you're probably going to say, teď vycházím. Teď vycházím. I'm leaving, I'm heading out. I'm on my way. Rather than teď odcházím.